An Air India flight en route Delhi was forced to circle back to Chicago. This is what the reports are suggesting. After all, but one of the plane's toilets were rendered unusable. According to a report by the popular aviation website View from the Wing, Air India flight 216 took off from Chicago but was forced to turn back after 11 of its 12 toilets became clogged. We have Arunil and Nikhil joining us on the broadcast. Let's first go across to Arunil joining us on the broadcast. Arunil, this is what we're given to understand. 300 passengers had access to just one working toilet, after which the flight was forced to go back.
Well, extreme embarrassment for Air India yet again, and unfortunately this has been happening repeatedly for India's premier airline, now under the Tata Group. This is a case wherein a flight which departed from Chicago en route to India, basically because of choking of as many as 11 toilets. There were 12 toilets on board. 11 toilets got clogged up. Couldn't be used, and it caused major embarrassment to the flight personnel as well. A chaotic scene basically happened mid-air, and the flight basically had taken off. It was en route India. Around after 10 hours of flight, unfortunately the pilot in command had to decide to take a roundabout and again go to the initial point from where the flight had taken off, which was basically Chicago. Air India has also given out their statement about this. We'll just read out their statement for our viewers as well. Air India operating Chicago to Delhi on 6 March. Air India returned to Chicago due to a technical issue. So they are not accepting about the toilets being clogged up. They are calling it as a technical issue, and also have offered their apologies to the
Right. So while they're offering apologies, they're saying it was a technical issue. Let me also introduce Zina joining us from the newsroom. One would have imagined that after the takeover, the situation will change, but the plight of the Air India flights remain the same.
Absolutely, Swati. And every single day, we are seeing something or the other related to Air India emerging. Now, this is a shocking story. And I would like to also focus on this video where you can see angry passengers inside the aircraft. This video, Swati, is currently going viral on social media platforms. Air India has not said anything on this particular video, whether it is authentic or not. But this video is going viral, and social media users are commenting about what happened in this aircraft that was coming from Chicago to the national capital. Now, there are about 300 odd passengers inside this particular aircraft, and there are 12 lavatories in a plane of this size. Out of those 12 lavatories, only one was functioning. 11 were not functioning because of some clogging that had happened. Now, this is the information that has been put out. Now, just imagine, Swati, there are 300 people. They are supposed to travel from Chicago to Delhi, and only one lavatory is functional. Just imagine the plight of the people. There are all kind of people. There are elderly, there are senior citizens, there are children, there are men, women, young, all kind of people, all age group. There can be somebody who, needs to use the lavatory because of a medical condition, and only one is functional, only one. Now, when the airline was asked about this particular incident, the airline came out with a statement. No mention of what really went wrong. Only, the statement mentions that there was some technical issue, and adequate arrangements have been made for the passengers. The question is, who is going to answer? Because there was a lot of inconvenience that these passengers had to go through. Absolutely. Who is going to compensate them for this, and why is it happening repeatedly? And it's not like a, Delhi or a Mumbai flight. It's not like a Delhi or a Bangalore flight. It's a Chicago to Delhi flight. For such a long route, there are checks and balances that happen all the time.
Absolutely.
Was it not happening? What is the problem really? And, given the kind of, problems that Air India as an airline is facing right now, the company should come out and say, why are all these issues erupting? Are they not able to manage it?
In fact, the upkeep and maintenance is one issue that some ministers also have highlighted. And every single time such an incident is highlighted, Nikhil was also with us on the broadcast, a statement is issued, clarification comes in. In this particular case, Nikhil, the airline is not admitting what the real problem was. They're calling it a technical issue, and you can provide all the compensation you want, the accommodation. But once the image takes a hit in terms of the kind of service that is being provided, then that lasts forever in the memory of the passengers.
And this is not the first of its kind incident. In the past as well, we have seen the situation similarly arising, during the course of the flight, and the similar situation arose on March 5th, wherein AI 126, which was bound to the national capital from Chicago, it had to take a U-turn back to the O'Hare International Airport in Chicago, because as per the details, and this is something which has been confirmed through the sources within the Air India as well, that many of the lavatories, they were clogged. This is the reason as to why the passengers were facing the inconvenience. A call was immediately taken by the pilot in touch with the other authorities that they have to return back to the Chicago airport. Although the detailed statement is already out from the side of the Air India, wherein they have said that this was a technical issue which forced the flight to return back to the Chicago airport. They have also gone on to say that they disembarked all the passengers normally. They have provided them with all the accommodation as well. They also allowed them for the complimentary rescheduling. They have provided them with the refund option as well. Whatever possible as per the set of protocol mentioned by the DGCA, they have done each and everything. But as we've already said, that this is not the first of its kind situation that has arise because of the lavatory issue. Earlier as well, because many of the planes have gotten old, this could be another reason as to why the situation arise. But